a rich man's world. I have turned the soul of this beautiful land, but the
Hi, Mason with PLM. Today we're making some side mount intercooler end tanks. Here we have a front facing one that we completed and welded to the intercooler. All finished there. Over here we have some side mount end tanks. Here's a finished one we did, complete with logo. This one's in Op 2, about to be finished. We still need to hollow out all the inside in the second operation. Over here is where it all starts.
Here I have a CAD drawing where I designed the front-facing intercooler. You can see the toolpaths I programmed to mill the mill. This one takes about 10 operations and 5 different tools. Here I use a ball mill to clean up the round edges, and we finish by etching the logo. After that's done, we prep the material. Over here you can see the 4x4 stock of aluminum. We cut that to 12 inches. Over here I have one in the machine ready to go. After I probe all my offsets, probe all my tool lengths, we're ready to start. Operation 1 takes about 2 hours of milling. Over here we have one that's been going for an hour. This is the Op 2 where we hone out the inside. And that's the entire process. Thanks for watching.
a rich man.